Live pictures of the White House where President Trump faces a unique problem. He needs Supreme Court justices to quit, retire, whatever you want to call it. But he can't say that out loud. Justices Clarence Thomas and Samuel Alito face enormous pressure to step aside now. Of course, if you pressure men like that, sometimes they don't take kindly to it. But Trump has a clock because he doesn't necessarily have the votes to replace him or them after the midterms. The thinking goes like this. If Democrats win the Senate and either man leaves in the next 2 years for whatever reason, Democrats won't confirm a Trump pick. Probably a safe bet. But here's the problem. Trump isn't just fighting Democrats. He's increasingly fighting his own party. And that would make pushing a nominee through the Senate tougher than ever, but not impossible. It's getting a whole lot messier by the day. After all, the same Senate Republicans who would have to vote to confirm his Supreme Court pick can't even agree to fund Trump's ballroom.
Are you going to support inserting into the reconciliation the $1 billion to the president's ballroom?
No. Louisianians don't want to spend $1 billion on a ballroom. I just came off the campaign trail. I mean, gas, groceries, health care, they just cannot afford it.
The campaign trail where he lost because of a Trump endorsement on one of his primary candidates, former law clerk for Justice Antonin Scalia, Ian Samuel, News Nation contributor, author of the So What on Substack, Chris Cillizza. I subscribe. You should, too. All right, so Cillizza, I'll ask you.
Okay.
So what?
It is a little bit of a tough one for Trump because you made the point in the last segment, which is like you could literally ask Trump what he thinks of the current WWE heavyweight champion. He'd be like, well, he has thoughts on everything. This is one that's hard, right? Because it has to be very carefully managed. You can't, these are Supreme Court justices. It's not like a senator where you say like, I need you to go. And if you don't go, I'm going to run someone against you. You can't run someone against these people. So it's a delicate thing. Also, because Supreme Court justices love, I think this is a little bit of BS, but they love the idea that they're above, they don't pay attention to politics. You know,
they love it.
So
and look, Ruth Bader Ginsburg made that gamble. It didn't work out.
That's
I think there's a lot of Democrats who still have never forgiven her. Trump was asked about this, and he gave an unusually for Trump diplomatic answer. Take a listen.